This is the GMP Navy SEAL Team M4. So this is a really nice M4. Probably the nicest one I've ever seen. I think it retails for about $300 on e-bike, depending on what you get with it and everything. This gun's really nice. It features microdeens with a 7.4 volt LiPo. Also features a top, and only a top weave rail, and then on the sides, because you have installation for different types of rails that you can put in, you know. This gun is really nice. Has flip-up sights on the ribs, of course. You can kind of just flip them up, but that's not good right now. ACOG, really nice ACOG, by the way. Sight pictures clear as day. A little bit frayed top because of him trying to really figure out how he wants to shoot and where he wants it. Features a lot of nice inside internal parts. Even outside, everything's metal besides the buttstock and maybe the buffer tube, but everything else is metal. You got, you know, safe, semi, a full auto standard M4 design. Selector switch is crisp as day. Just really good. This is probably the nicest gun I've ever seen. Just by the way, like for stock, for stock parts and everything, the nicest gun I've ever seen. It here you go. You'll see the GMP insignia on this side. Very nice. Everything's printed on here clearly. But the only difference about this gun is this is the G&G mag that he got for another gun that you'll see on this channel. Everything's really nice on this gun. He has it on a lower hop-up setting just because that's his preference. Range is probably about 150, 180 feet, and FPS is probably about 370, 380. I'll give you a quick sample of it before we do our shooting test. This is it on semi. Pretty nice. And then on full auto.
And be 75 feet right here. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now we're gonna do full auto.
I didn't feel it. What? You. Alright, I got. Say 1.
2, 1.
Fuck, I forgot how I ended. Battery type, it's a LiPo, I think it's 7.4 volt. Why? That's the worst one.
You farted again?
That's a blooper.
3, 2, 1.